All right, in this demo, we're going to generate some long tail collections, long tail keyword rich collections, and I'm using Test Bros as an example here, Tesla accessories website. And the idea here is that, for example, we have best-selling accessories, right? And you dig into these and you've got some Model 3, some Model Y. So how about we generate a category, a collection specific to Model Y, right? Best-selling Model Y accessories. You can see how that would work from an SEO perspective, and you can get a bunch of ideas along these lines. I'll probably do a separate video around generating ideas for new collections, long tail collections, and so we can dive into that at that point. If you're interested in installing this, that'd be great because I can dive into your use case as long as you have a decent number of products. Let's take the glasses off. Let's relax a little bit. So anyway, so here's the workflow. We're triggering on, first of all, here's the collection, right? All right, here's the workflow. Triggering on collection updated, and then we're just saying, okay, hey, is this the collection that we want to be dealing with in this filter? And then we're just going to loop over all the products in the catalog. And we are going to then, here's a little bit of code where I needed to grab the list of collections for a given product, since that doesn't come through by default over the API. And I'll show you in a second why I needed that existing collections. And then we're going to filter out products that are already in this best-selling list. And let me make sure that it's not in here. Oh yeah, I already checked that. Here's the product that we're going to target, and it's not currently in that new category, so we're good to go. And here's the GPT. Here's the magic. So the prompt I'm going with is, we're creating a new category and want to see if the following product falls under this category. Just reply yes or no as a response without any period or punctuation. It was including a period at the end of the yes, which was messing up my filter here. So I had to add that in. So the new category is this one here. Oh, and I should have inserted this dynamically from I should have inserted this dynamically from there. Oh, and also I think there we go. We're doing it live. And then that's the product title. And then these are the existing collections. I should call these, I'm calling them categories. I should probably call them collections. I always mix those up. It still works. It still works just fine. And the reason this is going to help is because it wouldn't know that this is already in the bestseller category unless I included the existing categories there. Yeah, and so then this filter is just going to say, hey, did the output say yes? If so, pass to an approval step. So this will drop into the approval queue, and this will kick you an email. You can review them one at a time or in bulk. You can go through them. And then if it passes the approval step, then we'll add the product to that collection. And let's go ahead and test it, see if it works. Test it live. GPT classified under. Okay, cool. Yeah, that looks like it went through. One of the things, sometimes it's a little tricky to see if you're reviewing the test output to know. It's a little tricky to know what you're looking at here. But anyways, approval step. Here we go. AI category. I don't know why it isn't putting these in a new line. This existing category should be in a separate line. Anyways, so then we go accept that, and then it will go ahead and add that to the step there. I think that should show up in the category. Where did that show up in approval? Oh, there we go. Approval accepted, collection add product. Cool. So then we've got the collection added to that product there. So that's how it works. I'll link up this template in the description so you can try it out. And if you need any help setting that up, let us know.